Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix a fridge that smells like gas and make sure it's safe to use. First, unplug your fridge immediately. A gas smell can indicate a leak, and safety comes first. Check the area around the fridge for any signs of natural gas or propane. If you detect a strong smell outside the fridge, leave the area and contact your gas company right away. Next, remove all food and clean the interior thoroughly. Use a mixture of warm water and baking soda to wipe down shelves, drawers, and walls. This helps remove any odor from spoiled food or spilled liquids. Inspect the back of your fridge, especially near the gas lines if you have a gas-powered appliance. Look for loose connections, corrosion, or leaks. Tighten any fittings carefully. But if you suspect a leak, call a licensed technician immediately. Check the drip pan and condenser coils. Sometimes trapped water or mold can create a strong, gas-like smell. Empty and clean the drip pan and vacuum the coils to remove dust and debris. Finally, let the fridge air out for a few hours before plugging it back in. Replace any spoiled food and monitor the fridge. If the smell persists, it could be a mechanical issue, and professional service is necessary. By following these steps, you can eliminate gas smells and ensure your fridge is safe to use. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.